Okay, I have a confession, and I do admit I am addicted to subscription boxes. There it is, you have it. Hey YouTube, what's going on, fam? It's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. What's going on? I know y'all somebody want to know about this hair. I'm going to have a video up soon, one day this week. But yeah, how y'all been doing? What y'all been doing? Make sure y'all click that like button and subscribe if you ain't subscribed, y'all, because I'm moving on up to no, I'm just playing. How y'all doing? Yeah, I got my October Confetti box. Y'all know this box is like every 2 months. You get this every 2 months, and it's $20. You go to www.confetticollection.com. And these boxes, y'all, I have really, honestly been loving. I love these boxes. Because every time, it's something about not always makeup. Did y'all catch my last video on the perfumes? DeluxeSB.com subscription box. Y'all better check that video out. They got some awesome perfumes, but we ain't talking about that right now. We talking about, I'll put a link somewhere so y'all can see it, but we gonna get into this confetti box, y'all. I really love these boxes. I mean, it's always something I can use. Either I use it at work, like the little notepads that's been in the previous, my tin cup. Y'all know I love that tin cup. I use it for my teas, and little gift wrap stuff. The last one I used to give a birthday present. But yeah, that's anything. But we don't know what's in this one. This is how it looks on the inside. Nicely wrapped. They have changed their packaging. And y'all, I am truly excited. It had some confetti, but not, the bucket and buckets of confetti that was in the box was huge. But yeah, I like the way they changed their packaging. And it's still cutely wrapped as always. Always cutely wrapped. Let me quit talking. So I know y'all like, Raquel, just open it up. Let's see what's in here. As y'all know, this is not beauty related. It's not going to be makeup related. It's just something different. Up in all the makeup that you can just put up and look at. This stuff in this box is actually functional. And for all the beauty junkies like me, this is a change for us. A much needed change. Oh, it's all peach. Okay, guys. It says surprise. Surprise treasure hunt box. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? We've created some of our favorite treasures just for you. So start hunting through this box to see what they are. Okay, that's all right. And this is out of the plastic. Everything we have. Look at this. I like it already. Okay. It's the peaches. It's the peach colors that I am like. I can't wait to get in. Okay, let me quit talking. Let me cut it open. Oh, I love the notebook. Okay, I know y'all want to see, so I'm gonna quit talking about it. I'm gonna get the first thing, simplest thing that I see is a stack of napkins. Again, can go in my work bag, my drawer, or I can even use this at any functioning for work to bring something. I just like it. It's more like office-like stuff or home parties. I just like this functional box. For me, it's really functional. But yeah, these are just a set of napkins. It's 43 ply napkins. And everything is always the same color. See, I got another gift wrapping ribbon. And I open these ribbons. You know how you can just take a pair of scissors and kind of like turn them sideways and make curly ribbons? Yes, y'all. Yes. Matter of fact, they made a bow in here that's exactly like that. Curly ribbons for gift wraps. If you like giving gifts as much as I do, y'all will appreciate that. Okay. Now this, I'm not, oh, what? A bottle opener, guys. Look at that. Okay, now I would have been totally excited about this a couple months ago when I was a Bud Light queen. But since I've been on this diet and healthy kick, But you know what? This is something cute when you have guests over and they need a bottle opener. That is cute. Be like, oh, just a second. Go in the kitchen drawer and pull this thing out. That is cute. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry, y'all. Okay, thank you. I know somebody said bless you because I do it when I'm watching videos. But yeah, that's just a cute little bottle opener. And the next thing, what is this? Everything is in its place. What is this? I guess you could use this little bowl. It's a little bowl. For me, I'm thinking I will put it on my dresser, I'm sure. I'll put it on my dresser. If I was still in the office, I would probably put little thumbtacks or the little things that, you know, if I hang in wall stuff. But I'm going to put this on my dresser, even though I hardly never, y'all know I got earrings for days. I never take these out. But I could put earrings in here. I'll find something, but I'm definitely going to put this on my dresser or either my bedside table. It's just a pretty, pretty bowl. Okay, the next thing I see in here, these are my favorite notebooks, and one of them I have in my bag that I take to work everywhere I go, and this is refillable. These are the notes, the memo paper. It's 200 sheets in here, and everything in here is peach, just like I keep telling you. This is just the thing. I love these, and I like this little box. Keep it closed, keep it private. Bills, you can use it for whatever, and I like this. Every 2 months, and it's like right when you're about to get ready to go out, you get a new one, and it's always made different. Last time, I think it was a notebook, a bigger book size, and yeah, and that's the one that I carry in my work bag. Let's just check out the previous videos from this confetti box, and you'll see it's some good stuff that come in these boxes. Girl, y'all, what's this? Okay, wake up when the booze cart comes around. A sleeping mask. Okay, I like that. That is cool. Okay, I gotta open it. Let's see. Okay. Alright, I ain't gonna mess up my face putting it on. But yeah, this is cool, especially if you don't like to sleep with lights in your face at night. That's what it looks like. And it's kind of silk feeling on the back. Yeah, I'd be glad when I can get my nails done again. It's been rough having this no nail kick. That's just how it is though, working in the hospital. You cannot have nails. So I just been naked, y'all. No polish, no acrylic, no, what is the other thing, guys? What is it? You know what they just painted and put it in the light? I can't think of what that's called. That's bad. But you can't have that either. Nothing. But anyway, let's keep it going, y'all. The next thing, this is a wine bag. I know what this is. Isn't that cute? Now that is cute. This is cute. Especially if you're giving a wine, a Chardonnay. Well, I ain't gonna say Chardonnay. Maybe you want to give something a little bit more like a Moet for a birthday present or just a gift. Thinking about your gift. That's a cute little wine bag. And I do that, so this works for me. And y'all, the last thing, I am, y'all, building a collection for my file cabinet. I don't even have to buy these anymore. I know exactly what this is. This is a set of file folders. And this is the third set out of the third box I've gotten. For my personal files, my certifications, my licensures, my passports. I got a file box, and now I'm thinking of upgrading to like the ones you see in the office, the tin metal ones, because these things here, they are so cute. And I know now I have enough to at least fill a top drawer. And it just makes it so personalized. I like this. I really like this subscription box. And then you have the little labels that you can put a label on each one of the files. And that's this month's box. So if you're either in an office or you're a perfect gift giver and you just want to, you know, for me, you want to spend your money on something that you can actually put to use, that's not sitting in a closet or a cabinet. Let me put it right in this paper. waiting to be used, I think this confetti box would be great. And if you're organized, this is helping me stay, a lot organized, especially with these little file folders. And look at the color. That is just so cute. It looks like, I don't know, tropical. I don't know. I like it. And with each one, it's a thing. See, that video was not that long. It was quick, simple. And yeah, check out confettibox.com, y'all. I mean, it's nice. It makes me happy. All right, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. And don't worry, this hair will be up soon. Y'all stay blessed, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.